Gold prices have literally been skyrocketing over the last 2 years, and here's why I think this may just be the beginning of a secular bull run. And despite the massive bull run we've seen in stocks as well, gold prices this year have outperformed stocks by a factor of 4 times. And this is not supposed to be happening. Because gold is a safe haven, so that means that typically when stocks are not doing well, gold prices tend to rise, like here in the 80s and here in 2008 during the financial crisis. But over the last few years, we've been seeing a massive correlation between stocks and gold. And in 2024, we saw that correlation hit 0.91, which was the highest since the 80s. And this is a signal of a major shift in our economy. And the reason this is happening is because we're running record deficit numbers. So in the last 12 months alone, we ran a $2.2 trillion deficit. And this isn't necessarily a Trump thing. This has been going on for the last 20 years. Whoever's in office is massively running our deficit. But yes, it is getting worse over time. And so when this happens, bond investors start having less and less trust when it comes to investing in US debt. So they start dumping their treasuries, and instead, their safe haven of choice becomes gold. And central banks are noticing this trend too, because for the first time since 1996, central banks are holding more gold than they are US treasuries. So with the Fed finally expected to start their rate cutting campaign this month, and the Fed literally abandoning their 2% inflation target, it's no surprise that long-term inflation will continue to rise. And so that's why gold is becoming the core safe haven asset for an economy with higher long-term runaway inflation. And gold prices are signaling that this shift is just beginning.